I am Dhinal Patel, Assistant Professor, SMC College of Dairy Science, Anand. I am one of the content writer for paper number 13, that is food additives. In that module number 5, colorings for the food industry, synthetic colors. In this module, we are going to discuss about the different synthetic colors, their ADIs and different applications in a food system. Color is an important feature of food and consumers often associated it with quality, taste and flavor. Colorants were used for centuries to improve the appearance of foods, cosmetics and clothing. More than 80 synthetic colorants were available, mostly derived from coal tar and petroleum, and some were used as a food additives without proper safety evaluations. Several reported health problems, intoxication, and even death were related to the consumption of foods containing synthetic colorants. Despite the new orientation towards the utilization of natural compound, synthetic colorants are still used as a food additives. The synthetic colorants are easy to produce, they are stable, less expensive, and have a better coloring property than the natural one. Still, synthetic colorants are considered to belong to a concern, a category that requires the strictest safety evaluations. The use of synthetic colorants is subjected to strict rules. The synthetic colorants or dyes are attractive to the food industry because they are superior to natural colorant in certain aspects like tinctorial power, consistence of strength, its range and brilliance of shade, hue, stability, and its easiness of application. The synthetic colors provide a large spectrum of colors. They are also have a lower price and a greater availability. Now let's see some food colorant with their respective color sets like Alora Red AC, that is yellowish red color, Amaranth, that is red in color, Azorubin, that is also known as a Carmoisin, that is red in color, Brilliant Blue FCF, that is greenish blue, Brilliant Black, that is black in color, Brown FK, that is brown, Brown HT, again a brown one, the Citrus Red number 2, that is red in color, Erythrocene, that is bluish pink color, Fast Green FCF, that produce bluish green color, the Fast Red E, that is red in color, Green S, that is green, Indigotine, that is deep blue, Lethal Rubin BK, that is deep red color, Orange B, produce orange color, Patent Blue V, that is blue in color, Ponchio 4R and Red 2G, they are red in color, Quinoline, that produce yellow color, Sunset Yellow, that is reddish yellow dye and a lake, then Tartrazine, that is lemon yellow dye and a lake. Now we will discuss about the different synthetic colors with their ADI and their utilization limit mentioned by the European as well as US countries. As you know, ADI is acceptable daily intake, and that is the amount of particular substance in a food that is to be taken every day for a lifetime without any appreciable health effects. Now let's discuss one by one. Synthetic food colorants and their use as a food additives on the basis of ADI, that is acceptable daily intake. In this table, we are going to discuss about the different synthetic color with their ADI provided by the JECFA, that is Joint FAO or WHO Expert Committee on Food Additives. and their utilization and limit in foods according to European Union and US regulations. The first of all, Allura Red AC that has a ADI of 0 to 7 milligram of kg body weight, and their specific use is in bitter soda, bitter wine, other non-alcoholic flavored drink alone or a combination with other colorant. Generally, it can be added about 100 milligram per liter. It can be also applicable in meat, breakfast sausages with minimum cereal content of 6%. The general uses include non-alcoholic flavored drink, candied fruits and vegetable, red fruit preserves, confectioneries, decoration and coating, fine bakery wares, edible ices, flavored processed cheese, desserts, including a flavored milk products, sauces, seasonings, pickle, relishes, chutney, etc. It can also be added in mustard, fish products, pre-cooked products like surimi, fish roe, smoked fish, some extruded or expanded snakes, other snakes, edible cheese, rind, a complete formula for weight control and nutritional supplements, liquid food, supplement integrators, solid food supplement integrators, soup, meat and fish analogs based on the vegetable protein, other spirit beverages, fruit wine, cider, perry, aromatized fruit, wines. According to FDA, it can be safely used generally for coloring foods, including dietary supplements, in amounts consistent with good manufacturing practices. And JECFA says 50 milligram per kg limit in a milk and a 300 milligram per kg in other foodstuff. Next is amaranth with ADI of 0 to 0.5 milligram per kg body weight. It can be used in a wines, spirit drinks including product with a less than 15% alcohol. It can be used in a combination with other colorants but not exceed 100 milligram per liter. It can be used in a fish roe. Generally, the utilization limit is 30 milligram per kg. The next color is azorubine, that is also known as a carmoisin. It has an ADI of 0 to 4 milligram per kg body weight. The specific use includes Americano, bitter wine. The general use include a non-alcoholic flavored drinks, candied fruits and vegetable, red fruit preserves, confectioneries, decoloring and coatings, fine bakery wares, edible ices, flavored processed cheese, desserts include flavored milk products, some sausages, seasonings, pickle, chutneys, etc. Some fish and crustacean pastries, pre-cooked crustaceans, salmon substitutes, surimi, fish roe, smoked fish, extruded or expanded snakes, some other snakes, edible cheese rind, complete formula for weight control nutritional supplement, liquid food supplement integrator, solid food supplement integrators, soup, meat, and fish analog based on vegetable proteins, other spirit beverages, fruit wines, cider, perry. The maximum level may not exceed amount mentioned for Allura Red. The next is Brilliant Blue FCF. It has an ADI of 0 to 10 milligram per kg body weight. It can be utilized in a processed mushy and canned garden peas with a limit of 20 milligram per kg, and all foodstuffs and amounts mentioned for Allura Red. The general use of FDA includes it can be safely used generally for coloring foods, including dietary supplements, in amount consistent with GMP. The JECFA suggests the amount limit to 150 mg per kg in a fermented milk and 100 mg per kg in a baked goods. The another color is a brilliant black BN, ADI of 0 to 1 mg per kg body weight. It is used in all foodstuff and amount mentioned like Alora red for general use. The another color is of brown FK. The ADI is not allocated, but it can be used in a Kuipers with a limit of 20 mg per kg. The next is brown HT, which is brown in color, has a ADI of 0 to 1.5 mg per kg body weight. It can be used in all foodstuffs and amount mentioned for azorubin general use. The another color is citrus red number 2. It cannot be used, permitted only for coloring skins of the oranges, not intended for processing, and the maximum concentration is up to 2 ppm of whole fruit. The next is erythrocin, has a ADI of just 0 to 0.1 milligram per kg body weight. It can be utilized in a cocktail and a candied cherries up to 200 milligram per kg. The cherries in a syrup and in a cocktail with a limit of 150 milligram per kg. FDA suggests that it can be safely used generally for coloring foods, include dietary supplements in amount consistent with the GMP, and JECFA suggests that it can be used up to 300 mg per kg in various foods. The next is a fast green FCF. It has a ADI of 0 to 25 mg per kg body weight. FDA suggested it can be safely used generally for coloring foods, including dietary supplements, in amount consistent with GMP, and JECFA suggests that it can be used up to 100 mg per kg in a various food. The another color, that is fast red color, the ADI is not allotted and it is generally not permitted in a food industry. Next slide. The next color is a green S. For green S, it is not allotted, but generally it has a specific use in jam, jellies, marmalades. Other similar fruit preparations include low caloric products. It can be used up to 100 milligram per kg. It can be used in a processed mushy and canned garden peas up to 10 milligram per kg, and can be used in other foodstuffs in an amount mentioned for Alora red for general use. The next color is indigotine. It has a ADF of 0 to 5 milligram per kg body weight. All foodstuff and amount mentioned for Alora red general use. The FDA suggests that it can be safely used generally for the coloring foods or including dietary supplements in amount consistent with GMP. JECFA suggests that it can be used up to 300 milligram per kg in various foods. The next color is litholdrobine, and for that no ADIs is allotted, but it can be utilized in edible cheese range. The next color is orange B, which is not listed for ADI. Approved only in US, may be safely used only for coloring casing and surfaces of frankfurters and sausages, not more than 150 ppm by weight of finished product. The next color is patent blue. For that ADI is not allotted. It can be utilized in all foodstuffs and amount mentioned for Alora red general use. The next is Ponceo 4R, that can be also known as a cochineal red A. The ADI is generally 0 to 4 mg per kg body weight, and the specific use include Americano, bitter and wine, jam jellies, marmalades, similar fruit preparations including low calorie products up to the limit of 100 mg per kg. It can be also used in certain sausages, sorbet, and all food stuff and amount mentioned for azorubin general use. The next color is red 2G. The ADI is allotted to 0 to 0.1 mg per kg body weight. It can be utilized in a breakfast sausages with minimum cereal content of 6% and certain burger meat with minimum vegetable or cereal content of 4%. The limit is 20 mg per kg. The quinoline yellow, which has an ADI of 0 to 10 mg per kg body weight, and the specific use include Americano, bitter soda and wine, jams, jellies, marmalades. Similar fruit preparations include low calorie products. It can be also utilized all foodstuffs and amount mentioned for Alora Red general use. The next color is Sunset Yellow FCF, which has a ADI of 0 to 2.5 mg per kg body weight. The specific use includes in a bitter soda and a wine, jam, jellies, marmalade, similar food preparations. That includes low caloric product also. It can be used in all foodstuffs and amount mentioned for Alora Red general use. The FDA suggests that it can be safely used generally for coloring of the foods in amount consistent with the GMP, and according to JECFA, it can be used up to 300 mg per kg in a various foods. The next color is tritrazine. It has an ADI of 0 to 7.5 mg per kg body weight. The specific use includes Americano, a bitter soda and a wine, the processed mushy and canned garden peas, and all foodstuffs and amount mentioned for Alora Red general use. The FDA suggests that it can be safely used for a coloring of foods in amount consistent with the GMP, and JCFA suggests that it can be used up to 300 mg per kg in a various food stuffs. Next is synthetic color and health. The food color are being used in a beverages, desserts, jams, jellies, sausages, pickle, cosmetic, toothpaste, and many products. In addition, medicines including tablets, capsules, and syrups are dyed with some food colors also. The many of the food industries and other related companies as well as restaurants have relied on colorants in order to set their products. However, there is a question on a safety and a nature of a colorant which have been used for this purpose. The numerous studies have demonstrated that the danger of artificial color in a food, which include the possibility of onset attention deficit disorder, inhibition of immune system, hyperactivity, and allergic reactions. In addition, the use of non-permitted colors or over-ingestion of permitted colors may also cause a thyroid tumors, urticarias, dermatitis, asthma, nasal congestions, abdominal pain, nausea, eczema, liver and kidney damage, and also cancer. The several food colorants have been banned in developed countries due to their toxicity observed on experimental animals. Now this table indicates some of the routinely using food colorants and their possible effects. The quinoline yellow, which can be used in a sweets and a pickle, has an effect of asthma, hyperactivity, and a rashes. The Poncio 4R, which can be generally used in a biscuits and drinks, has an effect of allergy as well as the intolerance. The Alora Red, which can be generally used in a soft drinks, shown a hypersensitivity. The Azorubin, which are generally used in a sweets, it produces the allergy as well as the hyperreactivity. The Tetragen, which can be used in a sweets as well as the biscuit, which shown a asthma, hyperreactivity, and a rashes. The sunset yellow, generally used in ice cream, biscuits, and sweets, shows a gastric problem as well as the allergy. The erythrocine, which is generally used in a toothpaste and a cough syrup, and it shows the hyperreactivity and allergy. Now let's see some synthetic food colorants and their application as a food additives suggested by the Food Safety Standard Authority of India. According to FSSAI, certain synthetic colors are permitted in India and they are Poncio 4R, carmosine, erythrocin, titrazine, sunset yellow FCF, indigo carmine, brilliant blue FCF, fast green FCF, and for certain application titanium dioxide is also permitted. Generally for a biscuits the limit is 100 ppm maximum. For a powdered soft drink concentrate mix and a fruit beverages drink, the synthetic colors about titanium dioxide is also permitted up to the level of 100 ppm. Except titanium dioxide, the other synthetic colors are also permitted up to the level of 100 ppm, and the application includes custard powder, jelly, crystals, ice candy, thread, candies, wafers, certain flavor emulsions, flavor paste that includes carbonated and non-carbonated water only, the carbonated food beverages or fruit drinks, carbonated water, soft drinks, and a concentration that includes liquid as well as the powder. For these food applications, the limit is 100 ppm maximum. The food applications like thermally processed fruits, plum, chiku, guava, strawberries, raspberries, lychee, canu, custard apples, pomegranate, papaya, and a fruit based beverage mix or a powder fruit based beverage that has a limit of 200 ppm maximum. Above these, the applications like candied crystallized and a glazed fruit, the sauces, crushes, fruit syrups, sherbets, cordial and a barley water, a ginger cocktail, cherry, jam, jellies, fruit cheese, fruit marmalades, thermally processed vegetables that includes green beans, wax beans, green peas, processed peas. These applications has a limit of 200 ppm maximum, and applications like fruit bar or a toffee, a thermally processed food beverage or a fruit drinks or a ready to serve fruit beverages that has a limit of 100 ppm. The applications like soup, soup powders, fruit powders, vegetable powder, instant fruit or vegetable chutney, culinary powder, seasoning mix powder, filled chocolate, sugar based sugar confectionaries, chewing gums, some bubble gums, flavored and a fruit yogurt, ice cream, kulfi, dried ice cream mix, frozen desserts, milk ices, milk lollies, and ice candies. They have a synthetic color limit up to 100 ppm maximum. From this, titanium dioxide is allowed up to 10,000 ppm in a sugar based or a sugar free confectionaries as well as chewing gum and a bubble gum. So by this module we come to know the various synthetic colors used in a different food products with their possible effects, with their limits in a food industry. As we know, color is an important portion of any food stuff, and synthetic color has provided a broad spectrum over a natural color to the food industry. But considering its harmness in a human body, we have to select the synthetic colors and subsequently which can be applied in a food industry. Thank you.